Hi. So this is on WikiTechie hacking project. So I'm going to talk about computer hacking. So computer hacking is one of the major area where everyone is focusing. So in our project, I'm going to show you a step-by-step information like how the user is trying to retrieve the information from a person's laptop. Maybe a hacker is there, we got the laptop, what is the information we are going to extract? So these things I'm going to do it in a step-by-step process. The first module is like extracting the IP address. Say a guy accessing the internet, after accessing he may come out from the internet. What is the previous IP address he got? Private IP address and public IP address, everything we are able to extract. So that's your first module. And the second module is like Google Chrome. What kind of websites he browsed? So those information I'm going to extract it. The second module. The third module is like the other browser is Firefox, Mozilla. So I'm going to show you like how we can extract those information from Mozilla Firefox. That's the third module. And followed by Internet Explorer. That's one of the predominant browser used in the internet world. So if the user is accessing Internet Explorer, so I'm going to show you the fourth module as how we can extract the information from the Internet Explorer browser. And this is the final interesting module. See, I got a laptop, I put it in a place. One of my friend is there, he's accessing my laptop without my knowledge. I want to check what are the data or what are the documents he opened, and he have done some changes, right? So what are the areas he have touched it in my laptop? This is one of the major thing in security world. I'm going to show you like if there is a user action happening on my laptop, we'll extract that information via my fifth module. So these are the 5 modules. I'm trying to show it in a step-by-step process. You can use it, you can create your own project. On the other hand, this video is from WikiTechie Code. Please subscribe to our channel, and apart from this, our website is wikitechie.com. So you can go to the website, click the projects tab, you are able to see all the contents of the project. You can use it for your future. Apart from that, like this project is to motivate the people to do their project by their own. All the very best. Thanks for watching. Let's move on to the project. Hi, welcome to WikiTechie. This is our portal, and I'm Venkat. If you want to see my profile, you can go to kashivinfra.com/venkat.php. You are able to see my profile. Let's move on. So this program is on, it's a computer hacking project. I'm going to do it in step by step. On seeing this project, you can do it by your own. So over here, you are able to see this is wikitechie.com, and here is the projects. If you go here, you are able to see the projects listed here. On clicking this icon, you are able to see the projects. There are a variety of projects available. Which one you want to prefer, you can click that project and you can see the things. Considering if you click a project, you are able to see how to do the project. You got all the documentations and everything over here. On clicking a particular page, you are able to see the documentation part for this particular project. This is to motivate students, and we want to make them to do it by their own. So this is how to do projects. On clicking this icon, you are able to do the project by your own. So on finishing these 5 videos, you are able to create your own project. And the required software installation, everything is given here. So how to download and install the softwares. So video tutorial is there, and also like the step-by-step screenshots are there. On the other end, you are able to see the introduction part where we are given what is the step you have to follow. Step 1, what you have to do. Step 2, what you have to do. Step 3, what you have to do. And step 4, what you have to do. So in each project, you have to click this introduction to see how to do this project. Let's move on to our project, computer hacking. Over here, I got 5 modules. One is IP hacking. The second one is a Google Chrome browser hacking. The third one is a Firefox browser hacking. And the fourth one is Internet Explorer browser hacking. And finally, it's computer monitoring. Let's start the project. Before starting the project, for the videos, you can go here. For each project, you got this how to do projects. You can go here, you are able to see youtube.com WikiTechie Code. our YouTube channel. Over here we put all the videos in sequence. Click that video and start learning. Happy learning. Let's start our project. And if you got any libraries which needs to be installed, for example, for this project we need some of the libraries like the project images libraries, and there are some libraries which is really important for this particular project. So we should have these libraries with us. Let's see. So if any libraries are needed, you should go to the libraries folder. Over there you got all the libraries available. Just click it and download those libraries like this. It may ask you a question like I'm clicking it. It may ask you a question, maybe. It may ask you a question like whether we need to download or not. Just click yes to download that video or libraries. So for each project, if there is any libraries wanted, like for this project I need that SQLite, which is really important library which I'm going to use it for computer hacking. Okay, so just download all the libraries. If you got any libraries in your project, it will be there in this libraries folder. Click it and you got these libraries. It's ready. And if there is any images, it's ready. I got the images. I got 2 libraries here and I got 5 libraries here, which is needed for our project. Okay, let's move on. So the first thing is like, so I had given all the details how to install Visual Studio. After installing, open your Visual Studio. So this is my Visual Studio 2017. So I'm clicking the Visual Studio 2017 and I'm opening it. Yep, I got the project. So create a folder, E drive ethical hacking. So let me open my existing project. If you want, I can show you how I've created the project, and this is the outcome of the project. I'm going to make it out. Now let's move on. Over here, so this is the path where you have to store it. So create a folder ethical hacking, and into the ethical hacking folder just put the files. So this is a project. I'm going to make it out now. So this is the overall final outcome of our project. You got your network IP hacking. The second one is computer hacking. So this is the main page, sorry. Chrome browser hacking, Firefox hacking, and hack computer track user action, and Internet Explorer hacking. So this is the final outcome of this particular project. We are going to make it out this one. Let's start it. So we are going to design a small page which looks like this one. Looks good, right? Let's start it. So go to your project, File, New, Project. So I'm going to click Visual C#, Windows Classic Desktop. I got Windows Forms app. Over here I need to give the path, copy this one and paste it here. This is the path. Let's move on. So I'm going to talk about computer hacking project. So give the name of the project, which is located in E drive ethical hacking. Now clicking OK, the project is created. Once the project is created, you are able to see the Solution Explorer here. In the Solution Explorer, my project is ready. The name of the project is Form 1. Right click, I'm going to rename it. I rename it as a home page. So it's asking me like whether I need to change it everywhere. Yes. Now click the form, right click, go to properties, and I'll change the back color. Where is my back color? Yes, it's there. I'll change it as pure black. Now right click, properties, I'm going to change the startup position as center screen. I don't want center screen. I'll hide as Windows default location and let it be. And over here I'm trying to remove the form border style to make it more looks good. Now let's take the labels now. Label, right click, properties, change the fore color to green or something. So let's try to give the text for the label. Welcome to ethical hacking world. Yes, let's increase the font. Now I'll change the font. Looks good. I'll increase the height of the window now. Let's copy it and paste it once. Let's copy it and I'll change the properties. I'll change the color to maybe a different color. Okay, computer hacking project. Looks good. Now let's take the button 1 for the first module. Let's try to increase the size. Yes, good. 2, copy paste. 3, copy paste. 4, copy paste. 5. I got 5 buttons now. Looks good. Here is on the button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5. So I got 5 buttons here. 5 buttons here. I saved it. So right click, properties. Let me change the color of the button. Back color. Which one you like it? I'll make it as this color. I'll put it as a mild color. So you can decide what color you want. I'll change the button as computer / network IP extraction. And let me change the font a little bit. The font is not good. I'll have this one. Okay, looks good. Now I'll change the button flat style to flat. Now it's good. So we'll have this one. Select all the buttons at a shot because we don't have time. I'll change the entire colors. The font is this one with 11 as size. I guess I'll change as 12. And the back color, what is the color given? Okay, just copy this one, go here, copy this one, and let's put it here. Yes, I got it. Now I'll change the text. We need to change the flat appearance, right? Over here, flat. Yes, I got the button. Right click, properties, and let's change the text. And this is Google Chrome history hacking. And we need the bigger size of font, I guess. This one, font size. That is the font. This is the one. I'll right click, copy, select all the things. Right click, properties. let's go here. Yes, I got it. Now this one, like right click properties text, we got Firefox browser hacking. Right click properties, Internet Explorer browser hacking. And over here the final module is like track user action happening in your computer. So this is a real computer hacking. Let's start our session now. Once if you click this one, I need the project, right click properties, and I try to add some of the forms. Add new item. Click the Windows form. Over here, network IP hacking. So I got my form now, network IP hacking. Click this one to save it, and we want add new item, Windows form, Google Chrome browser hacking. Do not give spaces. It will work if you give spaces also, but it's advisable not to give any spaces. New item. I'll go with Firefox browser hacking. Windows forms, Internet Explorer browser hacking. Now this is the final form. Over here, computer hacking track user action. Oops, I made a mistake. It got a spelling mistake. So rename like this, user action. So I got 5 modules, I guess. 1, 2, 3. Leave this one. 4, 5. That's good. Now let me write the redirection pages. On clicking this one, I need to go. On clicking this button, double click it. I need to go to the code. This one. So right click, view code, and this is a class, copy. I need to go here. So over here, on clicking this button, you have to type the code. So network IP hacking, create an object network IP is equal to new network IP tracking. Now network IP.show is a code. So I'm trying to, I need to build it first. Yes, build starter, and I'm going to start it. You are able to see it here. I got the form. On clicking this one, the page should open. Yes, the network IP tracking is coming. That's really good. Looks good. Let's move on. Similarly, for all the pages, we need to make it out. So for this one, Google Chrome browser hacking, create an object Google Chrome hacking is equal to new Google Chrome hacking, and Google Chrome hacking.show. Now let's move on to Firefox hacking, Firefox browser hacking, Firefox hacking is equal to new. So create an object and show it. Now let's move on to Internet Explorer hacking, Internet Explorer. So this is called IntelliSense in .Net. IE hacking. So IE hacking.show. Now this is the final one. Track user action. Track. What is the name of the page? Computer hacking underscore track user action. So computer hacking. Computer hacking dot show. That's it. Build it. Now I'm going to start it. Click this button to start the project. Network IP hacking. That's good. Google Chrome browser hacking. Looks good. Firefox browser hacking. Internet Explorer browser hacking. Computer hacking track user action. Looks good. So this is how you are able to build the main module. Let's talk about how we are going to go with this first module, network IP extraction. Over here in my next video, I'm going to talk about the network IP tracking. This is the one I'm going to talk it by next video. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about network IP hacking and also Google Chrome browser hacking. Thank you. So this is our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel to get regular update from us. We are building almost 1,000 projects in various technologies. So you can learn step by step how we can do the project. This is our WikiTechie code. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.